If you haven't looked at Orange Coast Title's technology tools lately, it's time to take another look. We've been really busy. We've brought lots of new features to both our websites and our mobile apps. You can now access all these great features whether you use an iPhone or an iPad or an Android device. Let's jump in real quick and look at a couple of the newest features we've got. Some of these include our new walking farm, which is something that works great if you're in a mobile environment. Here's an example of the main menu of our mobile app, OCT Mobile, and if we tap on Walking Farm and New Walking Farm, it jumps right in and zooms in on a map right to where you are, where you can move the map around with your finger, or you can type in an address, an intersection, or a zip code. I'm going to go ahead and type a zip code right here. You'll see the map jumps right to that spot. Again, I can move, pan the map around to right where I want it. And then when I've got the streets that I want to capture, I just switch it into draw mode and start drawing lines right over the top of the rooftops of the houses. Draw as many as you like. You can undo as needed, clear the map and start over, and you can even draw some and then go back into move mode, move the map around and spin the map as you need it, and then continue drawing. It's really flexible. Once you've got the streets that you need, you just can tap continue and get count, and our app's going to draw a line around those properties and capture them and tell you how many properties you've got. In this case, I've got 28, and so I'm going to go ahead and give this a name for this farm. This is going to be a demo for video. And when I'm done, I simply tap Create Farm, and it's going to tell me it's ready. It's very fast. Once I go here to My Farms, it's going to list all the farms I've created, and right here at the top, Demo for Video. If I just tap on that now, I can see the properties that I just captured. By default, they're sorted by address, but if you're walking in one direction or the other, you can just tap the sort mode, and here at the top you can sort by other factors including address ascending or descending. It's really convenient. And then another great thing is if you drill down and go into one of the properties, you'll see that it pulls up lots of details about the property. It tells you whether it's owner occupied, tells you the owner name, bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, even the last purchase date and price. And from here it's easy to change the status if you've knocked on the door and decided to update the status. We've also got a great scoring system here, and this is like a 1 to 5 score where you can just slide this bar and just score it as your own scoring system. In this case, I'll just knock this one down to a 2, so maybe it's not the greatest score, it's not an owner occupied, and you can see it color codes the system for me. Let me go to one of the owner occupied properties and tap on that. And then maybe on this one, if I knock on the door, I can change the status to a prospect and increase the score. There we go. And you can see it color codes it really nice and easily. For properties that you don't want, it's really easy to just swipe from the edge and delete them. Very quick to trim your farm and cultivate it. One other really great feature, if we go back here and sort by address, you can actually sort by score as well, so the higher score ones that you scored are at the top and the lower score ones are at the bottom. And if I go ahead and sort by address here and then I tap on maybe this one here, I can also go in and make notes. So if I just tap here and I create to add a new note, and really quickly I can type in sample note, add it to this property, and you can even create more than one note. And what's great about this is that we time and date stamp all your notes for you, and you can even go back to one of the ones you've made previously. So if I go back to sample note and update it, it's going to move it right to the top. So instead of having to look through a long running note, you can just make separate notes depending on different things that are happening on the property, and the newest ones will show up right at the top, kind of like Evernote or one of those other note-taking apps. If we go back out on this property, you'll see that it's indicating that I've got 2 notes made. Really convenient and easy to see the properties that you've made notes on. And at the end, of course, From here you can tap the export button and it will bring up a way that you can message it, email it. You can do all kinds of things with the data once you've created a farm. So that's one of the great new features in our walking farm for our mobile app, available on both iPhone and Android devices. Now here I'm looking at our Orange Coast Title website at octitle.com, and I've logged in. So I'm here at our Title Advantage services. And one of the great things about it is everything that you do on your mobile app is synchronized automatically in real time with the website. So if I go in here to My Properties or My Farms, the data that I do and the work that I do on my phone is instantly brought across. So here we can see this demo farm that I just did on my phone is automatically here. You don't have to export it. You don't have to do anything to save it. We do it automatically for you and save it in our secure cloud and synchronize it right across to the website. This is a great feature of working with the Orange Coast Title suite of tools. Here I'm looking at that same farm that I did previously, and I can even see the dot that shows I made some notes on a property, and if I go in, the notes are automatically synchronized right across as well. And I can even edit these just like I could on the mobile device. Simple to update and save. And again, that's going to push right back to the mobile device. So we give you a seamless way to work both on the go on your mobile device, in the field, or in the comfort of your desk or home office. Again, we bring lots of tools to the website, documents, and even current things, current hot topics. Right now, at the time of this video, a current hot topic is the TRID information. So we've updated and put our TRID-based rate calculator right here on our website. And this includes things like the closing disclosure section and other updates in response to the new TRID guidelines. And also, right from within our site, we've got the TRID dates calculator, giving you an easy way to calculate earliest consummation based on your delivery of the CD. And as always, within our website, we've got our document toolbox. Here, we've got tons of tools broken down into folders that you can use to quickly send information to your clients. And you can do this from the website, and you can also do it from within the mobile app. It's very easy to drill down into folders and have someone receive information quickly via email or text or any method you choose. So again, this was just a really quick reminder that we've been really busy working on the Orange Coast Title technology tools. Please visit octitle.com for more information.